Hey everyone, it's Mike Andes, founder at Copilot CRM, with just some quick updates about the FieldForce mobile app. Last week we launched it on iOS and Android. It's for your technicians out in the field. It works offline as well as allows for video importing of files, even large files. And today I'm wanting to share one of the first fast follows that we have released after releasing the app to the general audience. And expect over the next few months there to be a lot of iterations and additions to the mobile app. And we really look forward to be able to deliver a world-class mobile app for everyone going into next spring rush based upon all of your feedback. Now, one of the first things that we got in terms of feedback is it's difficult to have 200 megabytes as the file size limit for video. We did that intentionally just to ensure that the system was reacting fast, it wasn't causing any sort of breakages, and we were able to pass those tests. This week, we are increasing that 200 megabyte limit to 500 megabytes in file size. I want to go over in real terms what that actually means, though, in terms of video size. So on the screen, you can see approximately how long you can take a video, depending on the frame rate, so 30 frames per second, as well as the quality of the video. So if you're shooting in 4K at 30 frames per second, it's only about 3 minutes. If you're shooting at 1080p, which is high definition, that's 8-minute video. Now, if you change your camera settings on your iPhone or your Android and change it to 720, which is still high definition, still very clear, you're able to get up to 12 minutes of a video inside of that 500 megabyte file size. And we've done a bunch of tests, and we are confident that the speed of load is still good, as well as the quality, once compressed down, is still very, very good to be able to see. It's not blurry, and it is processing faster than before. We're going to constantly be updating that and adding improvements over the next several weeks. We appreciate your feedback on the FieldForce mobile app, and as we add to the minimum viable product that we launched last week, I think it's going to be very, very cool to see some of the things we unveil throughout the winter. Thank you so much, and we'll see you on the next update.